Hey, welcome to my channel. Today we are doing a makeup tutorial on this look right here. I did this with Just Peachy palette by Too Faced. This is an all matte eyeshadow palette. I think it came out about a year ago, but I just got it, so this is what it looks like. So beautiful. It's all mattes and they are infused with a peach scent, which I really like. And this is the look that I came up with today. I really like how it turned out. I think it turned out really good. So yeah, if you guys like videos like this, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And before taking off today, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell notification down below so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So if you guys want to see how to get this look using the Just Peachy palette by Too Faced, then please keep watching. So I think this is about a year old. It's definitely not new, but it's new to me. So these are the colors. Beautiful, hey? I was really drawn to this palette because I like mattes and I like warm shades. So like this too, and all the little peachy, like the peachy colors here, I really like. I thought it looked really similar to this one, what just came out. Like literally just came out. This is the Enchanted Fruit eyeshadow palette by L'Oreal. So obviously this is a drugstore one and it smells just like peaches, so I thought that was pretty funny. But it looks like this one has shimmers in it, but it still looks, there's like 4 or 5 shades that are pretty similar. Light colors right here, 1, 2, and then 3 are all very similar to these colors right here, 1, 2, 3. And there's a couple other colors too, so I might do a comparison. Maybe like it would be really cool because this one is I think 20 bucks more than the L'Oreal one. The Enchanted one's $20 and I think this in Canada is 38 or 48, so it's a $20 or $30 difference. But yeah, so let me know if you guys want to see a video on that. I'm just gonna prime my eyes. I'm gonna use this Physicians Formula eye primer. Like that. They have a shimmer one too, but I like to go for the matte one. Yeah, this palette screams everything I like. I like all the colors. I love all these colors in this palette. I want to use every single one of them. Take peach butter right here and put that all over my lid with a Morphe M518. I really don't know what look I'm doing today, but we're gonna wing it. Yeah, I don't know if I said this was palette. I think was $48 or something, I'm pretty sure, from Sephora. I think it came out like a year ago. I like the smell of it. Some people say it's too strong, but I don't really think it is. Maybe it fades. I don't know. I've had it for a couple weeks. 2 weeks, I think. Peaches and cream right here with an M573 brush. And I'm going to be focusing most of this eyeshadow today on my outer corner. Because I want that to be the darkest. Peach tea, same brush. Same area. And I'm going to take a R34, I think. I'm wearing away. R39 or 34, and I'm gonna take that with peach sangria, just a tiny bit of that. I'm gonna take a bit more peach cobbler right here. Same brush. Now I'm going to take Fresh Picked with, this is just a fluffy brush, kind of go above that. And then bringing that one in a little bit. Vanilla Ombre by Liz Wachier. And take that with a flat brush and carve out my crease. Go in with like a different flat brush. This is just an all over shadow brush with peach meringue right here and a little bit of this one. Mix the two, and then peach sangria or whatever, that peach marinade or whatever didn't really show up. Take peach sangria with a smaller brush. And then we're gonna take Peach Punch, try to blend it out a bit. So I thought I was filming, but I wasn't, but all you guys missed was I put a little bit of orange up here. And then I just kind of put some more peach sangria. And then I just did the same to the bottom. So now, this jumbo eye pencil, you know, it's just in black. Looks like this. I'm gonna be using Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow and Medium Brown. Use a flat brush and carve out my eyebrows. I'm going to use a NYX Studio liquid because that other eyeliner is not working. Okay, so I'm just gonna fix that and put my eyelashes on, and I will be right back. For mascara, I'm gonna use Bad Girl Bang by Benefit. I just put some Ardell lashes on. Just the, I don't know the name of them, but they look like that. Okay, my camera's gonna die. I will be right back. Okay. So, for primer, we're going to be using Joe Fresh, looks like that. It's Illuminator slash primer in Pure Glow, looks like that. And for my brush, I'm going to be using a flat top kabuki, and this one's by Lamora. My boob was popping out. Good thing you guys can't see. And then we're going to use the Milani Conceal and Perfect. This is an 01 Creamy Vanilla. This is weird because this stuff is pretty dark. Like, as you can see, I'm not like porcelain or anything. Like, sometimes I'm ivory, but I think I'm a little darker than that now. But this is pretty dark, I'm pretty sure. So this is 01. I really like this because it's like full coverage, but oh yeah. I'm gonna be mixing that in with, hold on, I'm gonna like put that on my face. See how dark it is? I'm gonna be mixing that in with my Unicorn Elixir by Makeup Revolution. I really like this stuff. I really like this stuff. Yeah, see how dark, like, it's like a really yellowy color. Like, this is 01 Creamy Vanilla. That's insane. Sure to get it down your neck. I forgot to set my eyebrows, so I'm gonna do that right now with the Benefit Gimme Brow. I think this one's too light. I'm gonna conceal with Magic Illuminator. I'm not sure what I think about this thing. Blend that out with my Real Technique setting brush. And then I'm gonna set that with Revolution. It's like banana powder for your under eyes. Well, that's what I use it for. My e.l.f. blush brush. I use this. This is Magic Mosaic Multicolored Face Bronzer. I kind of use it as a powder and a bronzer because it's pretty light. As you can, I really like it. Hoola Real Techniques Dual Fiber Brush. Blush, I'm using Coral Gold Rush, Warm Golden Nectar Blush with, I'm going to use my Eco Tools brush because I can't find any other one. I don't feel like getting them. Okay, I'm going to spray my face with Physicians Formula Insta Ready. I'm going to use this. This is Honey Nectar by NYX. Looks like this. Looks like that. It's really pretty. It's really pigmented. My hair is really frizzy. Overall, I really love this palette. So this is the look that I did. I think it turned out really good. I really liked. They all actually worked. Like, I'm quite surprised. They all worked very good. They weren't really pigmented, but they were really buttery. The only one that really didn't show up for me was this one right here, Peach Marinique or whatever. But the only colors I didn't use in this was this color and that color, and then I think I used every single color. So I did try to incorporate as many colors as I could in this look for you guys. But I definitely approve this. It does smell like peaches. It's not a strong scent, but if you don't like scents at all, I definitely would stay away from this collection because, again, it smells like peach. But I really do love this palette, and I am so happy I got it, and I just wanted to do a little review on it and eye look and let you guys know that I think it is definitely worth it. And purple color, I think it's beautiful, so I'm really happy I got this palette. I do wish there was a couple shimmers in here, but it's an all matte palette. So yeah, so that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to click that subscribe button before taking off today, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!